Today's video is going to be about a joke that I came up for my friends. It's really weird, and basically it's just rocks with gloves and superpowers fighting birds. It's really stupid, but I hope you like it. So the geese have created an unstable nuclear warhead and are going to unleash it on America, so it's us to up rocks to stop them. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. So don your gloves, my brethren, because for tonight we shall save America. Please stand by. Beep.
Can we have pizza first?
Hawaiian or Supreme?
Hawaiian.
With Canadian bacon?
Okay.
Sorry, I can't save America tonight. I'm busy. You have been enlisted in an army and there is no turning back. Ba 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 ba.